Ain't that boom?
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Good morning. It is Friday and my husband gets back today, so I'm excited. But I also need to clean up, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So yeah, I just got back from dropping Grayson off, which this morning went very smooth, even though I got out of bed late, woke up late, whatever, and I'm looking like a bum. But yeah, I can always change my clothes if I want to. I'm not sure yet, but let me get this house together and I will be back. I usually light the candles after I clean, but I want it to smell like as fresh as possible in here, because you know it takes a minute for the candle to start smelling loud and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and light the candles so that by the time my husband gets here, it's smelling all nice and good. I need to get more wallflowers. Hey, I need to get more wallflowers so that I'm not dependent on these candles right now. I need to show, if I haven't already showed this, I'm showing y'all now. Emma. But this coffee creamer, you need this. This tastes so good. I love hazelnut, and then I love this one. My husband also really likes this. This is the only way he'll drink coffee, and with Nespresso. But this tastes so good. Like before we left for drop off, I made an iced coffee, which I've been waiting to make my coffee until after drop off. But today I was like, whoop. I was like, I need my coffee. Come on, Emma. Bye-bye. 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 I didn't have time to be like making the instant coffee and stuff from scratch and trying to figure out what to put in there. So I just brewed a full cup of Nespresso and made that into an iced coffee, and I put some of this in here, and it always tastes good, like hot or cold. This always tastes good, like hazelnut, and this vanilla caramel is, yeah. If you have any creamer recommendations, leave them down below. Tab the tiger. Tab the kitten would run and hide from loud noises. Cleaning for like 30 minutes right now. Front is good for the most part. The front is good, clean, vacuum. It's smelling good in here. I'm glad I lit the candles, because when I came back to my room, well, of course the front smells good. I've been out there, but once I came back to my room, the bathroom candle, it smells so good. That was my first time lighting it. My husband just landed in Arizona, so one more flight and he'll be here. Been a while since I came on this camera. I was on FaceTime with my husband during his layover, and then with Emma, and I was also editing a TikTok, which I'm waiting for. I'm still trying to edit it, but I'm uploading it to edit it some more after I chopped it down. So
Ain't that boom? I got food. I got food. What's the best? Come on. We're gonna take a bath.
Me too.
Wow. You do this.
Oh, it lights now. You said yes? Oh, okay.
Oh.
I never keep watching this.
Okay.
Good morning. So you're probably wondering what happened to my hair. Yesterday I called the base hair salon, and before y'all judge, I saw on the spouses page where not everybody, but people have been starting to post on the spouses page about a certain hairstylist on base salon who does silk presses, and they say like she's amazing. So I was like, okay, my natural hairstylist is booked up right now, so let me go ahead and get my hair done. And I called, and I don't call anybody. My friends will tell you, like, I try to avoid calling people. So I called yesterday, and she had an appointment yesterday, but I was like, okay, well, my braids aren't taken down yet. And then she was like, I also have one for tomorrow. And so at 2:30, I'm going to get my hair done. So I hurried up, took my braids out. I finger detangled as I was taking my braids out. So hopefully that's good for when she shampoos my hair and everything. So yeah, getting my hair done today, and I'm excited because when you look good, you feel good. I will most likely start doing my makeup soon. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear yet. Yeah, I might just throw on some leggings or something, I don't know. But I'll start doing my makeup soon, so that I'm not walking in there looking too crazy, because my hair is clearly already a mess, so too crazy. And then after I get my hair done, I want to look nice too. So I'm still debating on if I will be bringing y'all with me, only because I don't have a tripod. So it's like I'm gonna just be holding my camera. I think I'm gonna just hold my camera. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's see. I think I will be bringing with y'all to my hair salon, and this will be like the first time that I'm like doing anything in public with a camera. We'll see. Hopefully I don't chicken out.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. We're gonna read it out.
I like it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good already. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Recording?
Yeah, it's already recorded.
Okay.
Wow.
Shake it for me, shake it. Ooh, cause period.
Oh my goodness. Wow. I need a morning appointment.
Right. Not on the weekend, girl. Cause you'll be in and out.
Wow. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome, love.
Wow.
My pleasure. You're so pretty.
Thank you. Hair is done.